A smoke detector is one of the most important safety features you can have in your home. More than 1/3 of all fire deaths result from fires with no smoke alarms in the home. The risk of dying in a house fire is cut in half when there's working smoke detectors. Dead batteries cause 25% of all smoke detector failures.
We recommend testing your smoke detectors at least once a month. Remember to change your batteries at least twice a year. Change your clocks, change your batteries. This year, daylight savings ends on November 1st. We also recommend replacing your whole smoke detector every 10 years.
If you have any questions regarding batteries or your detector itself, or installation, maintenance, any questions like that, don't hesitate to reach out to your local